Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. It's Keys TV. The last time I saw y'all, I pretty much was saying that I was quitting YouTube because I accidentally deleted all of my videos off of my camera. Or not my camera, but I deleted all of my videos off of my SD card, which was previous videos that I haven't got a chance to edit and things like that. So I didn't want to do YouTube anymore. It has been exactly 8 days since I posted that video. I still have not gotten my videos back. I honestly didn't even try to get the videos back. I had a lot of thought about it to decide on what I wanted to do with my channel, and here we are. Anyways, as y'all can see from the title, for today's video, I am going to be unboxing and installing my LED lights. Got the Amazon package. Just came in the mail last night, but it was supposed to arrive today. So I already opened it because that's just what I did. I didn't order a lot just because my room is actually small. As you guys can see, the box is fairly small. But yeah, so I got these LED lights just to set the mood up in here. This is the Govee brand, and I will link that in the description box in case you guys are looking to purchase some LED lights. Govee brand Wi-Fi RGB, which the RGB stands for red, green, and blue. LED strip lights. They work with Alexa. They also work with the Google Assistant. You can download the Govee Home app in order to operate these lights. They do not come with a remote, which is fine with me. Let me just go ahead and open her up so you guys can see what they look like. When you open the box, you get the manual. This one is the user manual. Very bright. You have the disclaimer, warning stuff right here. And then they also give you like it, share it, Govee. Join our Govee Home app. There we go. Last but not least, it has the installation steps on this card, just telling you what to do and how to install your LED lights. Alcohol prep pad. I have the LED lights. You have the packet of like screws and hooks for the lights when you're hanging them up. You have the Govee AC adapter, which is this big box one right here. This one is the sensor for the lights, and also like a little remote for the lights as well. I pretty much already checked the lights out last night, and I downloaded the Govee Home app on my phone because you need the app on your phone in order for the lights to function. They will come on, and you can use this remote right here to operate your lights, but this is really basic. Well, the first button is the power button to turn on your lights. The second button on the remote is to change your lights different colors, and the third button on here is to brighten the lights or dim the lights. Also, you have to connect them to Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna put that out there real quick. If you guys do not have Wi-Fi, I do not recommend you getting these particular lights. They do have lights that does not require Wi-Fi. I did have some lights behind my TV before, and I had a remote to it, but I kept losing the remote. All right, you guys, so here is my LED rope lights. I had the lights starting from the top of my name, and then came through the middle, and then came through the bottom of room. I just rewrapped them like this last night, and I kind of like the way it looks. A little fun fact, I painted these letters myself to match a blanket that I had in my room at the time. I do need to replace these letters just because my room is no longer purple, black, and white. I wanted to put them across the top of the ceiling, but I wouldn't be able to plug them in the back. So this is what I did with them, and like I said, I like them. This is the foot of my bed. So up there, I want to start the lights from the foot of my bed, and I want to take them from that wall to this wall right here. It'll pretty much stop once it gets to the end of the window right here, and then I'll just have to plug up the AC adapter and let the cords kind of run down the wall, which I don't want to. I had to do some extra stuff to get the camera to lean back a little bit. Hopefully it don't look too bad, but I gotta do what I gotta do so y'all can see me installing these lights, so bear with me. So apparently I seen this before, but I didn't mention anything about it. But it has the sticky adhesive on the back that I can peel off in order to stick this on the wall. So that's pretty cool.
It's like me, it's a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah.
All right, y'all, so I finally got the lights put up on the wall. I'm really excited. I can't wait to try them. I went ahead and turned off my ring light and I shut my blinds. I have the lights reconnected to the Govee app on my phone. They go all the way around to my window. So that's brighter and that's darker. So y'all already seen the brightness. Now let's see, we're gonna switch to red. Ooh, that's a whole mood setter. Okay, so that's red. This one is supposed to be orange, but we're gonna have to fix that. This one is yellow, green, blue. This is light blue. Then we got purple and white. Oh, I'm liking white. I'm liking white.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra.
Ooh, this is so lit. Oh, I'm just digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. All right, you guys. So that is pretty much it for the lights. I'm gonna have to play around with them a little bit more just to like get the hang of things. And I might try to go ahead and make my own colors and save them. But honestly, my favorite color so far is purple, blue, and white. I think I'm going to be using the purple, blue, and white the most. It wasn't that bad to install these. The lights fit perfect from where I wanted them to fit. They go right at the foot of my bed and they go all the way until the end of the window. Anyways, you guys, like I said, this is a vibe for me. I can't wait to be able to make my own colors and everything. If you guys want to purchase these LED lights, I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. So give this video a big thumbs up, share it with anyone and everyone you know. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Make sure you smash that like button and turn your notifications on so you will be notified when I post my next video. And I will see you guys later. Peace.